Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted guide for the best gear and gadgets. Today, we're taking a look at what we consider the absolute best in its category, the 6000 mAh magnetic work light. If you're searching for a rechargeable, durable, and super bright work light with a magnetic base, this is the one that ticks every box. Let's start with power. This compact work light is fueled by a 6000 mAh rechargeable battery. That's a serious amount of juice for a light this size. It can run up to 30 hours on eco mode or over 5 hours at full 4000 lumens. Whether you're deep in a car engine or camping in the wild, it's got your back with consistent, strong lighting. Now, one of the standout features, the magnet. This isn't your average weak magnet that slips off at the first bump. This one has been upgraded to grip tight, even on rough or vibrating surfaces. Car hoods, metal pipes, workbenches. It stays exactly where you need it. No more lights crashing to the floor right in the middle of a job. Charging is incredibly fast, thanks to USB-C support. You can fully recharge the battery in just 1.5 hours. And here's the bonus, it doubles as a power bank. Plug your phone or tools into the USB port and stay powered up during emergencies or extended outdoor use. Mechanics, construction workers, and campers will appreciate how well it handles harsh environments. Let's talk versatility. It offers 4 brightness levels and 4 color temperatures, ranging from a crisp 6500K cool white for precision tasks like welding, to a cozy 2500K warm light, perfect for ambient campsite lighting. And when things go wrong, there's a red SOS mode to signal for help. Mounting options are another win. You get a strong magnetic base, a built-in hanging hook, and even a 1/4 inch tripod screw mount. That's 3 different ways to use it hands-free, ideal for workspaces, tripods, or even hanging from a tent pole. Despite its performance, it's compact, just 4.5 inches. And it swivels 180 degrees, allowing you to get into tight spaces or direct the light exactly where you need it. It's also about 30% lighter than many of the bulky alternatives out there, so carrying it around is no hassle. Auto mechanics, field technicians, outdoor adventurers, campers, home DIYers, or just anyone who needs a reliable emergency light on standby. This light is not just versatile, it's dependable, durable, and designed for real-world use. To sum it up, the 6000 mAh magnetic work light is a powerful, flexible, and rugged lighting solution. With premium build quality, intelligent design features, and high-end performance, it earns its place as the best rechargeable magnetic base work light you can buy right now. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hands-on reviews of the best tools and tech. See you next time.